Hey everyone, welcome back to another amazing video. Today we're talking about the best design systems apart from material design. Here are the best design systems which will help you improve your designs and also you can use them. I want to know which is your favorite design system. Write that down in the comments. I would love to know. Also on Saturday at 9:30 p.m. IST, I am going live with a bunch of amazing designers to review your portfolios. I have a link in the description to register and also to submit your portfolio for review. So the first design system is Fortified Design or Fortified's design system. Now Fortified's design system is one of the most extended design systems. I've never seen a company portray a design system in such a unique manner as such. I love that you can really drag everything around and check everything out. Of course, they have all these amazing articles with various links pertaining to different parts of the system. So one thing here is the design system's principles. They also show you how they come out with all these methodologies and principles through all their design processes. They're very transparent with how they do design. So if you really want to learn design, this is one of those websites you should also visit, so as to see what are the design methods and principles in these big organizations. They also show you which tools they've used for which process. For example, they've used mainly Figma for their design. And of course, whatever they have on their website, they've given publicly to use in their community, Figma community space. As you can see, I've opened this Figma community space right here. They've given everything, all the getting started guides, the UI kits, the iconography, the structuring, everything they've given. And you know what? I'm just gonna heart this and duplicate this because this is such an amazing UI kit as well as design system. The next design system is actually by Audi, or a lot of people call it Audi. This is a car manufacturer and they have an amazing design system. Pretty cool. Now they have a lot of stuff included on their website. They talk a lot about responsive design. They talk a lot about layout and structure, as you can see on this page here. I love talking about icons and they have a very well designed icon library. As you can see, they have around 305 very well designed icons. There's light, dark, small as well as large. So whatever kind of user interface you're trying to create, they have icons for that. The best part is you can even see all these buttons and everything right here in action, and the code is copyable. You have a GitHub link as well as a code pen. So if you want to copy the CSS or HTML directly from here, you can do that as well. Apart from all that, they also have a section called UI animations, and inside this they have all the different animations that they've used, why they've used that animation, and the reason behind that animation. They also have their own official font for download for free. All you need to do is go to the type section, under basics, they have something called typography. And under that, you can download each and every typeface. It's called the Audi Type Office. How cool, how original, Audi. They even have a download button here, which of course allows you to download all these files. Now, I had to give a special mention to Swiggy, which is India's biggest food delivery application. They might not publicly display all their resources, but definitely have a lot of cool reading material where you can read about typography, their UX case studies. And of course, my good friend Saptashi has a lot of cool articles about motion design here as well. So if you want to learn and read more about motion design, I think Swiggy is that one go-to resource for you. The next design system is undoubtedly one of the most known as well as talked about design systems, called Fluent Design System from Microsoft. As soon as you reach their website, which showcases Fluent Design, you go down, you can search various different platforms on which you are designing. So for example, I'm designing an Android application. I'll click on Android and it will show me everything related to Android. I love this. I like how each and every page is divided into designing it and building it. That really defines what you are looking for. So for example, I am looking for the UI kit. So I will download that Download Figma toolkit from their website. I'll click on this and all it does, it downloads the Microsoft Fluent Android design system for you for Figma. They have a very cool what's new page, and under this they have something called Fluent UI, which is all the UI design resources that they have. They also have something called cross-platform control. So if you're a developer, this is one of the places to go to. If you're talking about such amazing brands, how can we not talk about Uber? Something called brand.uber.com. And under this, they have all the fonts, the typefaces, images, and tools that they've used in their designs. Now, under system elements, Uber has all its illustrations, the types of illustrations that they use. I love their kind of work that they've portrayed here. It's amazing. They also have, of course, iconography, which I absolutely love because I love this kind of this filled up icons. I personally like a lot. You can even check out each and every animation under states. So each state has its own kind of animation. So if you zoom in, as you can see, it zooms in like this. If you move something, it moves like this. So it has all these cool animations and techniques which have been shown on their website. I love this. And there's something called turn grid on. If I turn this grid on, it actually showcases the grid that they've used, the 16 column grid with 48 pixel margin. They are literally showing you how their grids work on their website in real time. Hats off to that, Uber. Now the next design system is asphalt.gojek.io. One of my friends, Sahil, actually works at Gojek, and I really look up to how they design in their company. I like how they've actually categorized everything here: colors, communication, motion, and typography, the four main pillars that they have focused on. The colors, of course, are very subtle. I love how they work well with each other, and they've shown shades a lot like material design, but they look really, really good, and they're a very different color palette for sure. They also have a component library, so everything that you need to know. They even show you the specs for each and every element. How tall is an element, how wide is an element, which text or which font has been used with each element. And I love how it is so easy to navigate each and every section, each and every component with ease. There is something called installation under getting started on their website, and they have the sketch files right here. So if you click on sketch, it will download the sketch file. They also use something called abstract, which is, I am guessing, more for handoffs as well as for collaboration. And they also use something called runner, which allows them to maintain everything on sketch. So if you want to use their runner libraries, you are more than welcome to. An unexpected design system from an unexpected company, Discovery Education. So Discovery Channel has their own set of applications and own set of websites which help to educate people on nature, on animals, on even human beings and cultures around the world. Now, each component has its own section. So in this case, I love how buttons work. So I'm going to check out these button components right here. The best part is with each and every component, they have the code attached. So if you want to use it as an HTML, CSS, or another language, you can always pick it up and copy from here. I hope you liked that video. If you did, then go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up. I post every Monday and Thursday, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out anything. And also maybe click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. That will give you access to all my videos as soon as they come out.